waking baby sister up.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
A.
You just yelling.
I ain't yelling. You're yelling.
You're yelling.
I am not.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
You're yelling.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. Yo.
Stop yelling. You're going to wake your baby sister up.
I should go home.
Why are you going to go home?
I'm not like Chinese food.
Fine, we won't go eat Chinese food.
Yeah.
Why?
Okay.
Because you're yelling?
No.
You going to stop yelling?
Yeah.
Tell your sister you're sorry. Tell your sister you're sorry. Do you want to go eat Chinese food?
I can't reach it. I see.
Okay, she's still asleep.
Yeah.
What you got an attitude for?
I don't know.
You need to figure it out.